Now, this is how you can send an audio recording through the Teams meeting app on your iPad. Let me show you exactly how it works. And if this is your first time here, well, definitely become part of the community so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Anyways, you can join any kind of like meeting through the Teams, right? You can create one yourself or join an existing one, whatever. But in order to share audio recordings, you have to tap on the chat section, the text bubble there, and you have to be in the chat right here, not part of the apps or anything, but just go to the chat and tap the plus button next to the text field, right? So we don't want to just type something in, we want to share a particular file, so we're going to click on plus, and now we need to choose from all of those different things, but it essentially has to be the attach with the paperclip icon, which lets you access the Files app. So all of the things inside of your Files app are going to appear here in this window. So you have to go through your location. So perhaps you choose your local storage. On my iPad, that's how it's called. And you can find something like an MP3 or audio file, which you get to select. It might take a while for it to be uploaded to the cloud, sort of, right? And then all you have to do is just to press send, and all of the other people will be able to access it in this chat part of the meeting. So it's pretty accessible for everybody. So that is, of course, how you can do this. Most important thing is to have the file inside of your Files app. If you, for example, have it in your voice recordings, then you have to save it to the Files app by clicking on the share, and then you have to just make it save to the files. Remember the location so you can then access it easier from other places, like when sharing it on Teams, for example. So that is all that you really need to know about it. I really hope I could help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos as well.